back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back again and I've promised to make it better than ever. So today we are going to be learning how to improve the quality of your designs. A lot of people have been requesting to know how I usually do mine, and this video should help you figure it out. So let's begin. So I just finished the design on Pixel Lab, and now I'm going to have to export it so as to show you how I edit it with Snapseed and Lightroom. So don't forget, when you're exporting, export as ultra, because this will help you retain the resolution of your design. Now once your design have been saved, you open Snapseed. Then you open Snapseed and import the design you just made on Pixel Lab. Then you tap the pencil icon to edit. Tap on details and increase the structure to about 50. I usually increase mine to 50. And you swipe up a bit, then you increase the sharpening to 25. That's how I usually do mine. Once you're done, you tap on the tick icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you should tap on the pencil icon for a second time and select grainy film. Select grainy film and reduce its grain to about 10, depending on how you want it. Then you scroll down and reduce the style strength to about 10, 5, depending on what you think it's good for your design. Then you also tap on the pencil icon again and select vignette. Yeah, I usually leave it the way it is. Just as addition, you can tap on the pencil icon again and select tune image. Then you scroll till you get to warmth. Then you can increase the warmth, though it's because of the color I'm using, an orange color, but you can increase it to see how your design would look. We're going to make it a kind of orange. Then you save. Tap on download icon to save. Once that is done, you close Snapseed and open Lightroom. Then you import the design you made with Snapseed from your gallery. Once your design has been imported, you can decide to color grade it or edit the lights in and everything, but for this I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to move straight to the effects and increase the texture to 50, then the clarity to about 15, because you should always watch your clarity. Don't make it more than 20. It should be between 1 to 20, but it should not be more than 20, because usually make design dark. So you increase the texture to 50, then you reduce your dehaze. Yeah, you reduce the dehaze to, you just make it less so it's a little bit bright, but it should not be too bright, about -5. Scroll up till you find detail, then increase your sharpening to 30. Yeah, that's where I usually leave mine. I leave mine at 30. And once that is done, you can save your design. That's all for how I enhance my design. Here's the before. Here is the after. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.